All right, let's talk about predictive deal team assignment, Nick Fury style. Imagine Nick Fury assembling the Avengers but choosing names randomly. Intern for negotiations. Junior rep for enterprise deal. No technical support. No strategy. Total disaster. That is exactly how most sales teams assign deals today. Big deal, random rep. Complex buyer, no specialist. Technical sale, no engineer. And then everyone wonders why deals stall. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, deals are analyzed instantly. Size, industry, behavior, risk, and the best combination of rep, manager, and specialist is assigned automatically. Moksy is a 100% free no-code tool, super easy to use. Right people, right skills, right time. So answer this, are you still assigning deals like a lottery?